Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on Android. First, download the official MetaMask app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this 12-word phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so write it down and store it in a very secure offline location. Never share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. Tap on your public wallet address to copy it. This is where you'll receive cryptocurrency. You can transfer Ethereum or other supported tokens from a crypto exchange to this address. Alternatively, MetaMask allows you to buy crypto directly within the app using fiat currency, offering a convenient way to get started with your digital assets. Interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps, is straightforward. Use the built-in browser within the MetaMask app to navigate to your desired dApp. Once on the dApps website, look for a Connect Wallet button and tap it to link your MetaMask account. When performing actions like swapping tokens or interacting with smart contracts, MetaMask will prompt you to review and confirm each transaction securely. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always enable biometric authentication, like fingerprint or face unlock, for an extra layer of security on your MetaMask app. Before confirming any transaction, meticulously review all the details to ensure they are correct and that you understand what you are approving. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Stay safe and enjoy your decentralized journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.